What are the electrocution risks for linemen? Have you ever thought about the dangers electrical linemen face every day? Their job involves working with high-voltage power lines, and the risks are significant. Electrocution is one of the leading causes of fatal injuries in this profession, accounting for nearly half of their deaths. This is a serious concern, especially since linemen often work on live electrical lines. They handle energized equipment and conductors, which adds to the risk. Several factors contribute to the electrocution hazards linemen encounter. First, power lines carry extremely high voltage. Even a brief contact can lead to severe electrical shock or even death. Second, linemen frequently work in challenging environments. They might be in rural or mountainous areas where access is tough. This often means they relying on manual tools and climbing, increasing the chance of accidental contact with energized parts. Personal protective equipment is essential for reducing these risks. When linemen do not wear proper gear like insulated gloves and protective clothing, they increase their chances of electrical burns and shocks. Additionally, using cover-up equipment, which are insulating barriers placed over energized parts, is crucial. If linemen do not use or position this equipment correctly, they expose themselves to dangerous live parts. The risks of electrocution become even more pronounced during storm recovery operations. Linemen work under stressful conditions, often fatigued and understaffed. They may be on unstable ground, which can lead to mistakes and increased exposure to live wires. These storm chaser jobs are among the most dangerous, with accidents occurring during power restoration efforts after hurricanes or tropical storms. Non-fatal electrical injuries are also common among linemen. These can include electrical burns and nerve damage, leading to pain, numbness, and impaired movement. Thousands of linemen suffer non-fatal injuries each year, highlighting the ongoing danger in this line of work. When looking at high-risk professions, linemen share similarities with jobs like logging and deep-sea fishing. They face natural elements, physical dangers from heights, and the invisible threat of electricity. To handle these hazards safely, linemen must undergo specialized training and certification. However, the margin for error remains small due to the lethal nature of the electrical environment they operate in. In summary, the electrocution risks for linemen stem from direct contact with high-voltage lines, challenging work environments, and the need for proper protective gear and procedures. Despite advancements in safety equipment and training, linemen continue to be among the most at-risk workers in their field.